now we're going to do question 9. 9.1. We are asked to find the derivative of this f of x using first principles, right? So let's do that quickly here. So we have f of x being equals to what? Let's look, 2x squared minus 3x. So it's 2x squared minus 3x, right? And f of x plus h. So where we see x, we put, or x squared rather, anything with x, we put x plus h. So it's going to be 2 into x plus h squared minus 3 into x plus h, right? So now f prime of x is equals to the limit when h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, right? So the limit when h approaches 0, so we're just going to write this here. Substitute, so it's going to be inside this, so it's 2 into x plus h squared minus 3 into x plus h. Minus our f of x is 2x squared minus 3x, right, divided by h. Okay, so please note we've been doing this quite a long while, or too much. This is equals to x plus h, and x plus h equals to x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, right? So we're just going to substitute that. So it's going to be the limit when h approaches 0 into 2 into x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3 into x plus h, like that, minus into 2x squared minus 3x divided by h, right? So we have the limit when h approaches 0, which is the 2, multiply it inside here, so it's going to be 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared, and then this one here will multiply everything, so it's minus 3x minus 3h, like this, and then we have minus 2x squared plus 3x, right? This negative multiplies everything inside, and then h, so limit when h approaches 0 is going to be 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h minus 2x squared plus 3x divided by h, right? So this minus 3x and this one goes away, this and this goes away, and yeah, then we remain with the limits when h approaches 0 of 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3h all over h, and then we factorize h because it's common, so it's going to be h into 4x plus 2h minus 3 divided by h, cancel out, so it's limits as h approaches 0 of 4x plus 2h minus 3, right, of which in this case we're just going to substitute the 0, so it's 4x plus 2 into 0 minus 3, so it's going to be 4x minus 3. So this is your derivative, right? So you need to do a check. Do a check to see if your answer is correct, right? What is f of x? F of x is equals to 2x squared minus 3x. To find the derivative of this is equals to 4x minus 3. So did you get the same thing? Yes, got the same thing. We are right. Move on to the next question. So 9.2, we are asked to, in 9.2.1 to find the derivative of this. So you have y is equals to 4x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 plus 3x. So this is pretty simple. Dy over dx is equals to 5 into 4x to the power of 5 minus 1. You see, I'm indicating the steps. I'm not skipping anything, so please do the same. Don't just write the answer. Right, so d of y over d of x. That's why it's 3 marks. So you don't just get marks by writing the answer only. And this is going to be 20x to the power of 4 minus 24x to the power of 3 plus 3. So this is the final answer for this problem here. So now 9.2.2, we want to find the derivative of this. So we have dx into minus cube root of x plus into 1 over 3x squared, like that. So let's solve what's in this bracket. We know that anything that's in the bracket, if it's x, it's going to be equal to x to the power of 1 over 2, right? So in this case, it's going to be 1 over 3. So it's going to be dx into minus x to the power of 1 over 3 over 2 plus, so the 2 will multiply everything that is inside here, the power, to multiply the power. So you have 1 over 3 to the power of 2x to the power of 2 and 1 to the power of 2, like that. D of x is equals to minus x to the power of 1 over 3 over 2, and then here it's plus 1 over 9x squared. So d of x, we have minus x to the power of 1 over 3 over 2, plus let's take the x squared up, so we're going to have x minus 2 over 9, right? So let me erase at the top. So what you have is this d of x into minus x 1 over 3 over 2 plus x minus 2 over 9, right? And then to find the derivative, we say dx of, okay, let me just write the derivative. So it's just going to be 1 over 3 into minus 1 over 2 into x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1, right? And plus into minus 2, 1 over 9, x to the power of minus 3, right? So what we're going to do is this. We'll have minus, we'll multiply this portion here with the x, right? So it's going to be minus x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 1 is going to give you 2 over 3, right? So it's going to give you minus 2 over 3. So let me just confirm with my calculator. So it's minus 2 over 3, yes. And then divide by 6 because it's 2 times 3. Right, 3 times 2, so it's 6 minus 2 over 9 x to the power of minus 3, right? So you can't write your exponents in negative form, so you need to write them in positive form. So it's going to be negative 1 over, is this negative? No. Is this really negative? Let me check. No. Why did I indicate negative here? So please check this. It's not negative. That's a correction. So meaning that here it's not negative, here it's not negative. Thank you to whoever saw it. It's going to be, so because we want to write down in positive exponent, I'm going to drop this at the bottom and also this at the bottom. So it's going to be 1 over 6 x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 2 over 9 x to the power of 3. So you can leave it like this if you want, or you can put this inside the square root, which if you were to write it in square root form, it's going to look like this, cube root rather. So let's just leave it here for now. And yeah, done with this question. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.